So standard 11, welcome back in exercise 1.1. This is maths 1, angle and its measurement. This is lecture number 2. So exercise 1.1 was going on. In first video we have seen up to question number 4. Now this is question number 5. I have written already the question. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 7 pi by 36, angle B 120 degree, find angle C in degree as well as in radian. First of all, this angle I will convert into degree, and then I know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So solution, angle A is equal to 7 pi by 36. So this is equal to 7 pi upon 36. I want to convert it into degree. So for degree, I will write 180 above and pi below. This pi cut. That is equal to 36 means by 5 I will by 6 I will divide 6. 6 are 36 and or by 12 3s are 36. 12 1s are 12, remains 6, 12 5s are 60, and 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So this is nothing but 35 degree. Another way also I will teach you. 7 pi by 36 is nothing but 7 into pi means 180 degree. Pi means 180 degree upon 36. 36 1s are 36 5s are, that is equal to 35 degree. This is also very simple way. Or this way. Initially I have taught you to convert into degrees. I will multiply by 180 upon pi. Now I have told you this. This will be the very simple trick. 7 into pi means 180 degree upon 36, and the calculations are over. Okay. Angle A we got. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason we know, angles of a triangle. Sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Out of that, this is 35 degree. Plus angle B is given 120 degree. Plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this will be 155 plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree, and therefore angle C equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 6 to 25 degree. So this is in degrees. Now I want to convert it into radians. Therefore, angle C equal to 25 degree. I want to convert into radian. So radian requires pi upon 180. Pi upon 180. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 5 6s are. So angle C is equal to 25 degree, or angle C equal to 5 pi by 36 radian. So this is the answer. In degree this and in radian this. In a speed I want to complete this lesson, but my motto is you should understand also. Some representative sums I will do. Two angles of a triangle are given. 5 pi by 9, 15 pi by 9. Find the degrees and radian measures of the third angle. It is just the repeated sum. 5 by 9 radian and 5 pi by 18 radian. These are the two angles. I want to find the third angle. Let the triangle be ABC. Let the triangle be triangle ABC. Have they given the name? They have not given the name. This is question number 6. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, this is all given in radian. So I will write it as 180 degree. 180 degree means pi radian. Finished. 180 degree. Instead of writing 180 degree, I have written pi radian. Pi radian means 180 degree. Therefore, suppose this is angle A, 5 pi by 9. This is angle B, 5 pi by 18. Plus angle C is equal to pi radian. Now I am not writing radian sign. Therefore, now this I have to equalize the denominator. This denominator is 18. This should be into 2 and this should be into 2. So this will be 10 pi plus 5 pi. This will be upon 18 plus angle C is equal to pi. Therefore, 15 pi by 18 plus angle C is equal to pi radians. I can reduce this. 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, angle C equal to pi minus 5 pi by 6. This 5 pi by 6 on that side it will become. Now do the cross multiplication here. 6 pi minus 5 pi upon 6, and that is equal to pi upon 6. Angle C equal to. This is in radian. This is in radian. I have given the symbol radian. Now degree is equal to pi means 180. Angle C is equal to pi means 180. 180 upon 6 degree. 6 1 the 30. So angle C is equal to 30 degree. So you can write angle C is equal to pi by 6 or angle C is equal to 30 degree. This would be the answers. I have not written the question. You can see it from the textbook. Two angles of the triangle were given in radians. Third angle we wanted to find. Or you can first of all convert this radians into degree and then equate to 180 degree. In a right angle triangle, the acute angles are, question 7, in a RT triangle, RT means right angle triangle, the acute angles are, in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles in degree and radians. So right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. The triangle is ABC. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle C will be 90 degree because this is 90. 90 plus these two will be 180 degree. Okay. Let in the figure, let angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is to angle C. That ratio is equal to 4:5. This is given. Let A is equal to 4x and angle C is equal to 5x. This is the common multiple. Angle A plus angle C, these two angles will be 90 degree. Therefore, angle A is 4x plus angle C is 5x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, 9x is equal to 90 degree. This 9 is into, on that side it will become upon, and 90 upon 9 is equal to 9 tens are 90. Therefore, angle A equal to, how much was angle A? 4x. 4x equal to 4 into 10, that is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 40 degree. I will convert this to radian. Therefore, angle A equal to, for radian I want pi, but the value should not change, so pi upon 180, 0 cut, 0 cut, 2 2s are 9. Therefore, angle A equal to 2 pi by 9, or angle A equal to 40 degree. Now I have to find angle C. Angle C equal to 5x equal to 5 into 10 equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angle C in radian I want, so 50 into pi upon 180. 0 cut, 0 cut. So, therefore, angle C is equal to 5 pi by 18. This will be in radians. Here also I will give the sign of radian. So, angle A is, angle A is 2 pi by 9 radians or 40 degree. Angle C is 5 pi by 18 radians or 50 degree. Thus the remaining angles are, find the angles in degree and radian. The angles are 2 pi by 9 radians or 40 degree, and the other angle will be 5 pi by 18 radians or 50 degree. So this way, this was the question number 7. Now the 8th question, the sum of the angles is 5 pi and their difference is 60 degree. Find their measures in degree. Question 8. Sum of two angles equal to 5 pi radian. Difference of these two angles is equal to 60 degree. Find those angles. This is the question. Find their measures in degree. Find those angles in degree. Find those angles in degrees. Solution. Let the angles in degrees be, let the angles in degrees be x and y, and x is greater than y, because I have to take the difference which to be subtracted from which, that also I should mention. From Phasi means first condition, sum means x plus y is equal to 5 pi radian. Therefore, I want to convert it into degrees is equal to 5 pi means 180 degree. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 900 degree. This is equation number 1. From SC means second condition, x minus y is equal to 60 degree. This is number 2. For solving, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So how I will add? X plus y equal to 900. This is number 1. And for the second, x minus y is equal to 60. This is the second one. This I am adding. This cut, this cut. 1x plus 1x, 2x is equal to 960 degree. Let me see whether you can see in the screen. Okay, yes, you can. Therefore, x is equal to 960 upon 2. This is into, it will be upon. X is equal to 2 4 za, 2 8 za and 480 degree. One angle is 480 degree. So, anywhere I will put the value, I will put the value here. X plus y is equal to 900. This is from 1. Therefore, x is 480 plus y is equal to 900. Therefore, y is equal to 900 minus 480. Therefore, y is equal to this 0 0 gone 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 420 degree. See that 480 and 420 degree. Those angles are answer. Don't forget to write the answer. The angles are what are those? 480 degree and 420 degree or 420 degree and 480 degree, whatever you want to. Hope that you have understood this. Now this was all in question number this. The measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:7:8. Find their measures in degrees and radians. Ninth question. I will just give a brief of this. Question number 9. Triangle. And the angles are 3:7:8. Let the angles be 3x, 7x and 8x. Their sum is 180 degree. 3x plus 7x plus 8x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this is 18x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 10 degree. And find the angles. 3x is equal to 3 into 10 equal to 30 degree. 7x is equal to 7 into 10 is equal to 70 degree. And 8x is equal to 8 into 10 is equal to 80 degree. Now this I have to convert into radians. So 30 into pi. This will be ready. And upon 180. 1 जा 3 1 जा 6, that is equal to pi by 6. Here in the exam you solve it properly. So 70 into pi by 180. This 0 cut. So 7 pi by 18. And this will be 80 into pi upon 180. This will be in radian 2. Now 2 4 the 8, 2 9 the. So that is equal to 4 pi by 9. Radian. So hope that you have understood this. Once your base has been clear, then I will maintain my speed to complete the syllabus. Initially I will go slowly for the new topics, and once your speed is maintained, so I will maintain my speed. The measures of the angles of a triangle are in AP, and the greatest is 5 times the smallest, means the least. Find the angles in degree. So the 3 angles are there. Let the angles be now in standard 10 you have seen AP for 3 numbers. Middle you take A, next you take A plus D, and before this you take A minus D. AP for 4 numbers. You take the difference of 2D, A minus 2D, and this you take A plus 2D, or another one you want third now, so A plus 4D, or you take A minus 3D, that way you arrange it. Remember that 10 standard AP arithmetic progression. So let the angles be A minus D, A and A plus D. These are the 3 angles. What is next given is that we will see. And the greatest is 5 times the smallest. The greatest is 5 times the smallest. Which is the greatest? This is the greatest. And this is the smallest. Greatest is 5 times the smallest. Means this is equal to 5 times of this. Okay. But the sum is what? Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is our formula. Therefore, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this D cut, A plus A 3A is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 180 divided by 3 will be 60 degree. Okay. Now this angle is done. This is the greatest angle or smallest angle. This will be the smallest angle. This is the greatest. What is given condition? So the given condition is greatest angle is 5 times the smallest angle. Greatest angle is equal to 5 into smallest angle. This is the condition given. Smallest angle. Write it properly. Therefore, greatest angle is A plus D. 5 into smallest angle is A minus D. So, A means how much? 30. Or I will solve and then I will put A plus D is equal to 5 into A is 5A minus 5D. Therefore, I will bring it here and take this here, or I will take this part here and this part here. So this will be D, this will become plus 5D, is equal to, this is 5a, this will become minus a, therefore this will be 4a is equal to, this will be 6d, or here only I will write 6d is equal to 4a. Therefore 6d is equal to 4 into, what is the value of a? Value of a is 60. Put a equal to 60. Therefore d I want, d is equal to 4 into 60 divided by 6. 6 ones are 10. So therefore d is equal to how much? 40 degree. 40 it will come. The angles are, what are the angles? The angles are a minus d, a and a plus d. Therefore a is how much? 60. A is 60. Minus d is 40, comma. A means what? 60. And d is what? A means 60 plus 40. And the answer is, that is 20 degree, 60 degree and 100 degree. See that these are the angles in AP. Difference is constant. 60 minus 20, 40. 100 minus 60, 40. The difference is constant. That means they are in AP. Now they want in radian also. The degree measure is over. They want in radians also. In radians, how you will do? Multiply by pi upon 180. That is 20 into pi upon 180, comma, 60 into pi upon 180, comma, last is 100 into pi upon 180. 0 cut, 2 ones are 9. 0 cut, 6 ones are 3. 0 cut, 2 5s are 2 9s are. So that is, what are the angles? Pi by 9 radians, pi by 3 radians and 5 pi by 9 radians. These are the degree measures and these are the radian measures. Hope that you have understood. In the subsequent video, we will solve another 2-3 questions which are very important, and then we will stop there. Bye till then. Good night all of you.